How to edit a contact in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open phone app, click on contact. Here you will see contact, select contact that you want to edit. After selecting contact, click on profile icon, click on edit. And if you want to edit name, then click on name. Now edit name. Now go back. And if you want to edit phone number, then click on mobile. Now edit phone number. Now go back. And if you want to edit email, then click on email, change email. Now go back. Now click on view more. And if you want to change or edit work info, then click on work info, enter job title. Now go back, enter department. Now go back, enter company. Now go back. And if you want to edit address, now click on address. Now add address. Now go back. And if you want to edit state, then click on state, enter state, and now click on save. After click on save, edit a contact from your phone. This is how you can edit a contact in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.